So this is the perfect binding machine. Okay, this machine gives you the output of like binding which you see in magazines, your novels, or any publishing house. You'll get this big machines actually. So you will see there is a glue which is rolling here after melting actually. Okay, don't touch this thing because this is 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, here this is the control panel where we do the setting of the temperature control and all everything. Okay, here we can adjust the spine also. You need round or you need squarish or whatever it is there. Okay, now the machine has 3 sensors here, one sensor here where we will put the paper. So the machine, so you will see a hole here. The machine will identify that the papers are installed inside the spine. Okay, so you will see the spine is locked now. Okay, now this is the cover. Cover will be putting it here. We have to adjust it with the height and length. So here also you will see a sensor. This is the cover sensor. So you have to align it centrally as per your size. Then there is a small magnet for locking it. So we are locking it here. Okay. Now you will see here is a grinder where the spine will be grinded in a triangular shape. It will be like 0.5 mm. There will be a grinding thing so that the glue will go inside the paper. Okay. This is the brush for cleaning it out. So now I'll start the machine. So you will see this is grinding. The glue is pasted on the spine, and now the spine will directly fall on the cover. Yeah. So you can see it's already fall on the cover. It's already locked. Wait for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, remove this magnet. Take this paper on right side so that the on sensor the cover will be removed and the spine will go back to its place, and then you will see the perfect binding is ready. Right, and it has a good strength. So this is the industry standard binding. You will see this in the big publishing house. So this is valve binding, which is very rare in India. Basically, we have this machine in IIT Hyderabad. So it comes with 2 strips. One, this is the grainy part. This also is the grainy part. This is the back side, and this will be the front side of the binding. Basically, it can take a load up to 500 pages. Comes with different sizes. So this is the valve binding machine, which can take a load of A3 size and A4 size both. So first we will be perforating it here. So after putting the paper here, you have to perforate it from here. So after the perforation, you will get the holes like this. So the strip has 2 parts, the thicker one and the thinner one. Basically, there's a distance is less, here the distance is less. So you have to match it here with the holes. After matching it, on this grainy part you put top of it. And then there is a small hole which is the locking hole of the machine, which you will find it here, the spin part. So we have locked this paper here. Now we will go to the system 2. System 2 pe we will press it again, and now the riveting process is going on. So what he do is like, the machine what he do is like, it melts the plastic and expand it on the holes and remove the excess part. It has the heater inside this. Now you will see the binding is done. So this is the valve binding. You can put the cover on it and you can put it as the hard bound. You can make the hard bound bindings also, or small magazine binding also. This is the quick process now, and it's very famous in different publishing houses. Yeah. So basically this is a quick glue binding machine. Okay. So for that we need the glue file. You can buy from market. It has the glue inside this. Okay. You take your papers. Right now it's under warming process. When it goes to run, then we can put the file inside this. So I'll put the paper inside this. I'll align it properly. Okay. Still I'll just put it here. So put this file, lock it here, and wait for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. So now this is ready and it's safe to take out the file. So you will see it's already, the glue is already stick on this and your binding is completely ready. You have to dry it for some time for this thing. So this is the dryer. You put it here. There is a blower below that actually. So it will dry.
Yeah.
So this is a comb and viro binding machine basically. So this area is for perforation, both sides. So this is for the viro and this is for the comb. So you will see the sizes are different basically. Okay. So after taking the perforations in viro, you put the take the holes from here, then open this area, put this part. After putting this ring basically, put the part here and just press from this handle. So this will lock. Okay. So this is the thing.
Okay.
So this is the comb binding basically. It comes with different sizes as per your paper requirement. Okay. So in viro and spiral we can't remove the paper or add the paper easily, but in comb basically you can easily remove the paper by removing the strips like this. Okay. Here's the thing. So after taking the perforation from this, okay, you have to put the ring here, perforation ring here, and you just have to open it like this. I'll just roll it out. You just have to roll it out. You have to just put the paper like this, okay, and just close this, and your binding is done. This is the comb binding. Same way, if you wanted to remove the book again, remove the paper, add the paper, and close it. Okay, this is the comb binding. Can you just put it upper? When you see in market, so it's a very simple process. Put the paper inside it, make the holes, and put the rolls. This one. Always try to prefer the plastic wala spiral binding because it never get rusted. Otherwise, if you buy the metal wala, after 1 year you will see the orange rusting parts will come here. Roll to roll lamination basically we are doing it. So this is the roll to roll lamination. So you will see lamination roll here also and here also. This is used for the books which are very premium or your photo books or something like that basically. So where front and back both are pasted, and later when you just cut it, the corners will not peel out. Here is the control panel where you can control the speed, temperature, forward, reverse, stop, hot or cold, whatever it is that you wanted to do it. Okay. So now we will be laminating it here. So we will put it here, this one, and now we will put it forward. So you will see the paper is going inside for the lamination. Okay. So this is a guillotine machine, guillotine cutting machine. Basically this is handheld. This is not electronic, this is a manual thing. Okay. So you will see there is a scales here. Okay. So suppose you wanted to make a book of A5. Okay, so you can first you have to do the width cutting from here, and you have to do the height cutting from here basically. If I think I am just putting a paper here. Okay, so we'll be making one perfect binding machine, perfect binding book will make. So I had cut half of the papers. Okay. Yeah, so more paper I'll take. So this is like near to A5. I taken the paper. So count it as the cover of this book basically, right? Now we'll go to the
What is that?
this is a cutting groove. So from here easily you can cut this. इसका बना सकते हो ग्लॉसी बट फ्रंट एंड बैक तो उसमें कवर बना सकते हो दिस बिकॉज ऑफ बोर्ड गेम एक्चुअली तो उसका कोई बोर्ड था बहुत अच्छा तो उसके लिए चाहिए तो ये कवर चीज कॉपिंग पेपर है ना अपना नहीं आर्ट बोर्ड ले लेते हैं You know what is this? These bindings? No. Have you seen this earlier? Spirals are made up of with the technique of bolt. जो bolt होता है ना हमारा. So what they do is like they'll roll one rod over it, okay, and then that bolt will rotate. तो bolt के अंदर have you seen the threads?
Yes.
तो उसी को grab it properly.
Little smart.
Little smart, and it comes with multiple color, 10 to 12 colors. Now in market, earlier it used to come in only. We have a rolled. Can you just shift aside a little bit? I'll show it. So that is a roll to roll. So this you have seen like ID card वाला, right? हाँ. तो वो क्या करते हैं? Normally what these people do is like they will put your ID card here. Outside का glue जो रहता है, वो भी चिपकता है. Then आपका पेपर बाहर नहीं आता है. बट आप उसको जैसे काट देते हो आफ्टर सम टाइम इट विल स्टार्ट पीलिंग है ना वो चीज़ इसमें नहीं होती है डायरेक्टर ऑल्सो डायरेक्टर ऑफिस में ये सब चाहता है तो दिस इज़ अ वैल्यू बाइंडिंग वेरी मुँह में गुटखा खा रखा होता है बात कर रहे थे तो आपसे ऐसा करके है ना अच्छा मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था एक्चुअली सो आई वॉज वर्किंग इन ओगिलवी बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग IIT है ना वहाँ पे आपका ये नहीं आएगा वो सब बट दिस इज लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव So one strip will cost you around 70 to 80 rupees. This one. Okay. So we'll start with this one. Okay. है ना? ये वाला वेलो से start करते हैं. है ना? So पूरा compress है. Because paper has that limitations कि आप उसको रात भर भी एक 100 kg के उस पर लगा के रखोगे ना, ठीक है? तो भी वो सीधा भी